Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Muhammad Fahmi Izzat and my supervisor is Technologist Dr. Azrina Ezza binti Ozali. The title of my final year project is Medical Certificate Verification System e-MeVS via QR code for KPJ Pahang Specialist Hospital. KPJ Pahang Specialist Hospital is located in Tanjung Lumpur and was built at the end of 2012, started operating in 2016. The middle photo is the current manual medical certificate records by KPJ Pahang. And on the right photo is an example of current medical certificate. The manual verification process starts with the Human Resource Department make calls to the hospital and it will be answered by the front desk operator before getting connected to the KPJ administrations. Once the call has been justified, they will get connected to the KPJ administration department. If the admin is available, the call will get connected to the doctor who issued the medical certificate. From there, doctor will search and look into their medical certificates record to verify the MC. Lastly, the HR department will get an email from the doctor as evidence if the MC is valid. But if the admin and doctor are not available, the HR department will need to send the copy of medical certificate via email for the admin to search in the medical certificate record and email it to the doctor for further verification. Again, the HR department will get an email from the doctor as evidence where it stated the specific information. Next, move to the problem statement with the solution. There are 3 problem statements with the solution are provided based on the current process. First, multiple call requested open medical certificate verification where it happens repeatedly or even while they are verifying other medical certificate. As for the solution, the HR will be notified and receive a medical certificate via email to reduce the amount of calls. Second, time consuming on the medical certificate verification process where it will take a little while for the admin to find the MC since they have pile of MC records. Also, depend on the admin and doctor availability to solve the problem. To solve the problem, QR code will be generated on each MC, so the HR department can just scan the QR code as provided. The final problem, difficult to search past MC manually where some organization request a verification for past month or year. So the solution is to build the search feature where they can search the MC by using a reference number. Move to aim and objective. Aim for this project is to develop a web-based system on medical certificate verification system e-MeVS via QR code for KPJ Pahang Specialist Hospital. The objective of this project are to gather and analyze the requirement, to design medical certificate verification system e-MeVS and to develop a web-based system on medical certificate verification system e-MeVS via QR code for KPJ Pahang Specialist Hospital. Next, methodology. This project is using a modified waterfall model. This model is suitable for this project if there is any changes in the previous phase. There are 3 phases which are requirement gathering and analysis, design and implementation. The first phase is requirement gathering and analysis, where the first activity is prepare survey. The deliverables are interview and questionnaire. Second, conduct the interview and questionnaire. The deliverable is interview and questionnaire data. From that, it can be analyzed and construct the requirement diagram. The deliverable requirement diagram such as use case diagram, domain class diagram, activity diagram, and sequence diagram, and it will document the software requirement specification to achieve the first objective. Next, design phase. Design the system where the deliverable are multi-layer sequence diagram and design class diagram. The outcome of the design user interface is storyboard, and last activity for design phase, document all the diagram into system design document to achieve the second objective of e-MeVS based on the analyzed requirements. Come to the implementation, it's required to develop a web-based system to achieve the third objective on medical certificate verification system e-MeVS via QR code for KPJ Pahang Specialist Hospital. Here are some examples of the system. Next, move to the use case diagram. In this use case diagram, there are 4 actors involved: admin, doctor, nurse, and external user. Referring to the admin role, admin can register account for all actors. Admin can manage accounts, which include view and update for all actors and view department and position. Only admin can manage the department and position. Only admin can delete all accounts. Admin can log into the system. Admin also can search and view MC as well. Look into nurse roles. Nurse can register and manage patient's account. Nurse also can manage their own account. Nurse also can log in to search and view MC. Doctor roles can manage only on their own account, which is view and update account. Doctor can log in to issue the MC, search and view the MC as well. While the doctor wants to issue the MC, the doctor will receive the one-time password number from their phone, including send notification to the organization on generate QR code. While external users such as HR department, patient, or insurance agent only can search and view the MC. Next, entity relationship diagram. One and only one super admin, such as head of department, can supervise one or many admin. There are 3 users that can be registered by admin, such as doctor, nurse, and patient. It will store admin ID as a foreign key. As for patient account, it will store nurse ID as a foreign key if they have been created by a nurse. A patient can receive many MC. A doctor can issue lot of MC and it will store doctor ID as a foreign key. However, doctors can retrieve the patient's detail from the patient's account that have been created. At the same time, it will store patient IC as a foreign key. Next, we move to the system demo. Welcome to e-medical certificate verification system homepage. I will show the most important use case, which is doctor issue the MC. I click the login button. Okay, it will link to the sign in to start the session. I will click on the sign in button. The email field and the password field is required. I enter the email of the doctor and I click sign in. The password field is required and I will enter the password and I will click sign in. The doctor need to update their profile to continue. Let's say I enter the random identity card number. The doctor phone number must be valid because the doctor will receive the OTP number through their phone. Select the position, let's say a specialist doctor, and select the department, let's say cardiology, and the doctor need to draw the signature. Okay, and then I will click save button, and then it will show to a dashboard. Move to the medical certificate. It will show a list of issued medical certificate. Here, just one of the patient just got the MC medical certificate, and I will click on the issue new medical certificate, and it will link to the create new medical certificate form. Okay, let's say I will choose the doctor want to issue the MC, and the doctor just need to click and select the patient, which is, let's say, on the Caprice Azris, and the date unfit, which is on the 1st August until on the 7th August. And the patient doesn't need to enter, the doctor doesn't need to enter the patient date of re-examination, let's say, and doesn't need to enter the date of it. Next, when the doctor click on the get OTP, the OTP number will be sent to the doctor phone number. Okay. The OTP number is 583762. 583762. And the doctor need to click on the verify for of the OTP code. And the SMS verification is successful. Before the doctor click on the issue button, let's check to the on the patient's organization. So there is no email, your inbox is empty, and after I click on the issue button, okay, here the MC is already been issued, which is MC number 2, MC number 1, reference number 0002, and name Caprice Azris, and the identity number, and so on. Also, the doctor can view the medical certificate. Here, the patient name, which is Caprice Azris, the patient IC number, the patient phone number, and the patient employee email. So let's check on the employee email. Here, employer also receive the medical certificate, and then we click on the scan QR from the browser. Okay, I click open link. It will bring to the QR code verify, and the patient or the human resource department can download the medical certificate from the patient name, which is Caprice Azris. Just click on the download, and the medical certificate will be downloaded into the PDF document. Okay, so here is the example of a medical certificate has been issued by the doctor, which is name of the patient, which is Caprice Azris, and the IC, the phone number, and the HR email, human resource, and the patient is unfit for 6 days starting from 1st of August until 7th of August, and the signature of a medical practitioner, and date of issue, Dr. Azrina Eza Ozali, MMC number, specialist doctor, and the doctor department. Specialist doctor is the doctor position, and cardiology is a doctor department. I think that's all from me. Thank you.